Court is calling 2022 CR 3034, State of Texas versus Justin Cotton. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Catherine Pollard for the state.
For the defense?
Kelly Biddle.
And are you Mr. Cotton? Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cotton, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we are waiving the review enhancement.
No objection.
Mr. Cotton, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault of a pregnant person? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Cotton, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $0 fine. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2022 CR 3035. There's to be no contact with Cassandra Jimenez. And is this a family violence, an affirmative finding of family violence?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So if the court reviews the evidence that's been presented, and if the court finds that it's an affirmative finding of family violence, then the court will put in the judgment that it's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement? Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offense as charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Judge. This offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1.
No objection.
Mr. Cotton, I'm showing you what's entitled Waivering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court is finding there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court is finding you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge. We'd just like to alert the court. Mr. Cotton was in the Nueces County Jail at the time he was magistrated on this offense. I have his magistration paperwork here, and he was magistrated on March 31st, 2022. So we're asking that he receive back time from that date.
State any objections to that? All right, then what the court will do, the court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, give you credit starting from March 31st, 2022. And counsel, was he in continuous custody?
He was, Judge.
Okay. And there's to be no contact with Cassandra Jimenez. And there's to be no contact I'll say no unsupervised contact with minors. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
There you are.
All right. Showing you a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll have to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
33.
33? Here's the thing. People who are having your children, you're supposed to love them. And if it's a situation where you don't love them and something just happened because people were drinking and this is what happened because we're not thinking correctly, we're living in the moment, you're still supposed to treat them with respect. You understand? So if you have anger issues while you're at the prison, you need to work through those and figure out why you are angry. You understand? And do not get involved in any other relationships until you better yourself. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Who's here on J?
In this courtroom hearing, Judge Boyd presided over the case of 33-year-old Justin Cotton, who faced charges for assaulting a pregnant woman, a serious felony offense carrying years of potential prison time. After reviewing the plea agreement and evidence presented by the state, the court found sufficient evidence to support the charge and sentenced Cotton to 4 years in prison, along with an affirmative finding of family violence. The conviction also resulted in strict conditions, including a prohibition on possessing firearms and restrictions involving minors. But the most impactful moment came after sentencing, when Judge Boyd addressed Cotton directly, reminding him that the mother of his children deserved respect regardless of the circumstances. The judge urged him to confront his anger issues while incarcerated, better himself before entering another relationship, and learn from the choices that ultimately led him to prison.